Hey everyone, today we are diving into the syllabus for the Microsoft Excel Expert MO-201 certification. If you are serious about mastering Excel and showing off those advanced skills, this certification is must. Let's break down the exam syllabus to help you understand exactly what you need to focus on. Section 1. First up, we have Manage Workbooks, Options and Settings. This makes up about 15 to 20% of the exam. In this section, you will focus on manage workbooks, copy macros between workbooks, reference data in other workbooks, enable macros in workbook, manage workbook versions, prepare workbooks for collaboration, restrict editing, protect worksheets and cell ranges, protect workbook structure, configure formula calculation options, manage comments. This section also includes working with language options. So if you ever need to configure different display languages or use specific language features, it will be covered. Next up, we have manage and format data, which makes up to 20 to 25% of the exam. This section is all about working with data. You will get into advanced field techniques, fill cells by using flash cells, flash fills, fill cells by using advanced fill series options, format and validate data, create custom number formats, configure data validation, group and ungroup data, calculate data by inserting subtotals and totals, remove duplicate records, apply advanced conditional formatting and filtering, create custom conditional formatting rules, create conditional formatting rules that use formulas, manage conditional formatting rules. Section 3. Now here where the things get interesting. Create advanced formulas and macros. This is the biggest part of the exam, making up to 30 to 35%. Excel known for its powerful formulas, and this section is all about mastering them. Performing logical operation in formulas. Perform logical operation by using nested functions including if, switch, sum if, average if, count if, sum ifs, average ifs, count ifs, max ifs, min ifs, and or not functions. Lookup data by using functions. Lookup data by using VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, match, index functions. Use advanced date and time functions. Reference date and time by using now and today function. Calculate dates by using the weekday and workday function. Perform data analysis. Summarize data from multiple ranges by using consolidate feature. Perform what if analysis by using goal seek and scenario manager. Forecast data by using and if and PER functions. Calculate financial data by using the PMT function. Troubleshoot formulas. Trace precedence and dependence. Monitor cells and formulas by using watch window. Validate formulas by using error checking rules. Evaluate formulas. Create and modify simple macros. Record simple macros. Name simple macros, edit simple macros. Section 4. Manage advanced charts and tables. The last major part of the exam is manage advanced charts and tables. This covers about 20 to 25 to 30% of the syllabus. If you love visualized data, this section is for you. You will learn how to create and modify advanced charts like box and whisker, combo, funnel, histogram, map, sunburst, and waterfall charts. Create and modify pivot tables. Create pivot tables, modify field selection and options, create slicers, group pivot table data, add calculated fields, format data, create and modify pivot charts, create pivot charts, manipulate options in existing pivot charts, apply styles to pivot charts, drill down into pivot chart details. That's wrap up on the MO-201 Excel Expert syllabus. We have covered everything from managing workbooks, formatting data, creating advanced formulas, to designing charts and pivot tables. If you are ready to level up your Excel skills, this certification is a fantastic way to demonstrate your expertise. Thanks for watching.